AKINSOFT WOLVOX 8 stock input-output transactions. In accounting processes, the input and output transactions of an inventory are made from accounting purchase and sales forms, such as delivery notes and invoices. However, you can use stock input and output transactions when you want to make stock entries and issues in some special cases, such as transfer transactions. Since the stock input and stock output transaction windows are the same, we will only see the input in this tutorial. For this, click the Stock Input Transaction button from the Operations list in the Stock Management menu. On the screen that opens, filter and select the stock you want to trade. The input screen for your selected stock definition will appear in front of you. On this screen, you can access shortcuts and stock definitions related to the window from the upper right section. The document number can be entered manually, or if you leave it blank, it will take a value according to your counter when the stock is recorded. You can use it as a filtering option in reports by entering a value in the custom code field. Process date and time will come automatically according to your system date. It can be changed manually. After entering the quantity and price information, you can also associate this transaction with any client card. If you have any, you can enter your explanation about the recording in the comment section. If you want this entered record to be used in cost and sales statistics, you must leave the Use in Cost and Sales Statistics option checked. If this record is a return or transfer transaction, tick the relevant option. Save by pressing the Save button. The same operations are valid for the output transaction.